writing articles as an affordable internet marketing method. From Overture, a keyword suggestion tool, you will see the millions of searches done to a certain keyword. When these keywords are typed on search boxes of search engines, indexed websites containing articles with those keywords will be displayed. And this is what leads traffic to websites with keyword-rich articles. Yes, the magic word is articles. Content is king. You can say that again. That is why writing articles is one of the most utilized internet marketing media today. Internet surfers just can't get enough of information on various fields. Providing information through these articles is a surefire way to drive hot traffic to your website. Why is this so? Here are the benefits that writing articles can give your internet business. 1. It's absolutely free. Too good to be true? Not. Okay, you have to pay for your internet service provider. That's it. All you need is your thoughts, your computer, and your hands. If you have those, nothing will stop you from typing words that will make you complete that article for your website. On which aspect of that process did you really shell out any cent? Maybe later when your electric bills come. 2. Your website will be noticed in a short period of time. Submit that article of yours to article directories that get the most web traffic, and in no time your website will be crawled. That is if you don't forget including your resource box or byline. 3. Obtain backlinks automatically. When you submit your articles to directories, surely, other websites will make use of your article too. With the copyright terms of your articles, the URL of your website will still be intact and will subsequently direct more traffic to your website. 4. Improve your reputation. As an internet marketer, if you plainly display your products on your website, you will not gain much conversion rate. Conversion is when your traffic converts to sales. You have to show that you are knowledgeable on your field. And what better way to show that than by writing articles that will allow you some bragging rights, right? Just make your creative juices flow and jot down or key in those ideas quickly to jumpstart your article writing momentum. With those benefits listed above, a writer's block is the last problem you will ever be able to surmount. But that's another story.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.